Fox 40's Christy Gross was able to talk with that family. She joins us live in Stockton with more on what they had to say. Christy.
Eric, Shayne's mother says Stockton police lack compassion and she wants that to change.
What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now!
A mother's plea for accountability heard outside the San Joaquin County District Attorney's office for the in-custody death of Shayne Sutherland.
It's a constant nightmare I wake up to every single day.
Shayne's mother, Karen, says her family will never be the same.
We spent Christmas at the cemetery last year and opened gifts out there.
Nearly 1 year after Shayne Sutherland died outside this convenience store on Trinity Parkway, his family has filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Stockton, the Stockton Police Chief Eric Jones, and the 2 officers involved.
Ronald Zalianardo and John Afanasiv, the Stockton police officers that murdered my son by asphyxiation. They need to be fired from Stockton Police Department and never be allowed to work as a police officer again. And they also need to be charged with my son's murder.
Police released this edited body cam video of the incident last year when they responded to a call that the 29-year-old had threatened to throw a wine bottle at a store employee. As Shayne was being questioned,
he made what turned out to be a fatal mistake in a moment of panic.
The video shows officers quickly take him to the ground and handcuff him. The family's attorney says what happened next was excessive.
And his words become more and more garbled as you could see him struggling for breath. This went on for close to 3 minutes as these officers didn't get up and they didn't let up.
Hey, he's turning colors here.
He says the coroner ruled Shayne's death an accident. The family then had a second autopsy done that concluded Shayne died as a result of restraint asphyxiation.
If the city of Stockton won't do their job, and if the district attorney won't do their job, we will do our job and get justice for this family.
The family is suing for monetary compensation, but ultimately Shayne's mother says she wants everyone involved in her son's death to be held responsible.
Money's not going to bring my son back, but he does have 2 children. 2 small children that he is no longer here. He was a hard worker. He provided for his family, and now he's no longer here to do that.
I reached out to Stockton Police for a response to this lawsuit. They tell me they cannot comment on pending litigation. Live in Stockton, Christy Gross, Fox 40 News.
Christy, thank you, and we'll stay with this for a minute here. The San Joaquin County District Attorney's Office released this statement about that case. It says the matter of Shayne Sutherland's death is an open and ongoing investigation. The San Joaquin County District Attorney's Office received a copy of Dr. Amalu's findings and will be reviewing all evidence before rendering a decision.